Hello guys, welcome back to VC Tech. In today's video, we are going to be talking about EtherChannel and LACP, what they are and why they are important, and how they work together to improve network performance. Previously, we talked about PAGP. This is the perfect continuation as we look to see how LACP, the open standard version, helps bundle multiple links between switches to increase bandwidth and add redundancy. So with that being said, guys, what is LACP? LACP stands for Link Aggregation Control Protocol that uses the IEEE 802.3AD, which is the official networking standard that defines how EtherChannel or link aggregation work. On the previous video, we gave a detailed explanation of what IEEE 802.3AD is. I suggest you watch that and get a hand of it. LACP is a protocol used to combine multiple physical network links into one logical link, as it helps increase bandwidth and ensures network reliability. It is also supported by most modern switches and routers. LACP operates in two modes, which are the active and passive modes. These modes actually determine how devices negotiate link aggregation between each other. The active mode, devices actively initiate a negotiation process with the other side to form a link aggregation group. As it is, I believe, is well explained. So the active modes initiates while the passive mode waits for, the passive mode waits for LACP packets from the other side before forming an aggregation group. So the active mode initiates, like it starts, then the passive mode waits to connect. So that is how LACP works. LACP automatically detects and group links between devices, as it negotiates which links are active and manages failover if one link should go down. It also ensures efficient load balancing across all active links, as it is compatible between different vendors. Cisco vendor could use LACP, as well as Juniper and HP and etc. The importance of LACP is it increases bandwidth as we combine multiple ports for higher data transfer capacity, as redundancy if one link should go down, other links that are connected will still carry out the traffic. We also have scalability, which makes it easy to expand network capacity without major changes, as we have vendor interoperability. Unlike PAGP, that is Cisco proprietary, LACP is an open standard which accepts any vendor and every vendor. So why we need LACP is it ensures network reliability by minimizing downtime. So if one link should go down, in let's say we have 4 or 5 links and one link should go down, we have 4 or 3 links to be getting our data from. It improves performance and reduces bottleneck, as it provides automatic failover for higher availability system. It is ideal for data center, enterprise network, and smart infrastructure setup. Now guys, let's head over to our configuration phase, where we get to see how LACP is being configured on a switch. So we are going to be using 2 switch and 2 PCs. For today, we just want to link this switch to this switch using 3 physical links, and we want to make sure these links serve as one logical link. For LACP that supports multiple vendor, so this device here could be a Cisco switch, and this one could be a HP switch or Juniper switch. So that is one of the reasons why LACP stands out from BAGP. And with that being said, let's configure LACP on our switches. As we want to say interface range, we want to link all the ports that are connected. Interface range FA0/1 to 3. We want to say channel group. We want to group all those links. Channel group, and we want to give this one. Remember, for PAGP, when it gets to this phase and we say mode, we use the ortho or desirable. However, for LACP, we use active and passive. So here we are going to use active. Remember, so it initiates, then passive waits to receive. So we are going to use active here. Now let's trunk the ports that are connected to both switches. As you can see, guys, this switch now, they are all on orange as they are trying to connect. However, this one here has one green and two orange, meaning it's just one port that is functional, that is allowed to carry out traffic. However, by the time we configure LACP on both switches, you're going to see how this is going to turn out. All right, so let's trunk the interface. So interface port channel 1, and we want to say switch port mode to be trunk. Now let's also do the same configuration on this switch here. And before we do that, let's do something else. Let's do this. Do show EtherChannel. So for this switch, we've not configured any channel group. So as you can see, it is showing none. However, let's check on this switch since we've configured it here. Do show EtherChannel. So as you can see, we have group 1 and we are using 3 ports. We can have maximum of 16 ports, as we are also using LACP as the protocol for EtherChannel. Now let's do the same configuration here so we can have it both linked. Oops. So interface range FA0/1 to 3. We want to say channel group. Channel group 1, and this mode should be passive as we use active for the previous switch. So we've configured EtherChannel on these 3 interfaces serve as 1. Now let's also trunk the ports. So interface port channel 1, and we want to say switch port mode to be trunk. Since we've done that, let's also do show EtherChannel again. As you can see, guys, now we have configured EtherChannel for this switch. It has group 1 and we are using 3 ports. It can take maximum of 16 ports, and we are also using LACP as the protocol for this configuration. As you can also see, the colors here are all green. Previously there was just one green and 2 orange. So this is how we configure EtherChannel, or this is how we add redundancy to a network and make it fast. If 3 links are connected to a switch, it adds redundancy, and it also creates room for high speed, and the traffic flows very well, other than when it's just one link. So EtherChannel is very important because it combines multiple physical link into one link to make the network fast and easy to manage. So with that being said, guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial, and if this video helped you understand what EtherChannel is and how to merge multiple physical links into one logical link, it's going to be lovely if you give me a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.